Are you, like me, bitter and tired of this message? When you want to save something, you go, Creative Cloud, why? Why would I want to save it on someone else's computer? There is no cloud, it's just someone else's computer. Alright, maybe you're younger than me, I'm older, I want it on my computer, I want control in life. Anyway, so I go save on my computer, and I want to save a JPEG real quick, but there is none. I have to save it as a copy. Okay, so I'll save it as a copy, but I don't want the copy name to be in here. I just want a JPEG without the word copy in my file name. So I have to go here, I have to delete it, and tick, 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 tack, and then now I'm done, now I'm ready to save. This wasn't like that before. I used to love the way it was before, so that's hence the bitterness. But today is also a happy day, because I found something in the preferences, because I had enough today. So I was like, general? No, I'm not a general. Interface, you can interfere all you want. But here, file handling. Whoa. Hang on. What is this? Enable legacy? I am from the legacy. I've been working with Photoshop for 20 years, more than that. I'm gonna go legacy, but hold up, Photoshop thinks I'm an idiot. When reverting to legacy save as, the word copy will no longer, thank you, enabling might cause accidental document overwriting, as if I haven't worked with computers since I was born. I know how file handling works. This is the bitterness, as you hear. But clicking OK is gonna bring joy and happiness. And what do we have over here? Default file location on my computer. Thank you so much. So what happens now? I go save. What do you know? I can instantly just choose my JPEG. Life is happy. Save however you want. You don't need to use the word copy. You don't need to save on someone else's computer. Do whatever you want, and this is how you do it. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you, and have a great day.